Once you have been created a profile, Instagram profile you created and optimized. Okay, if you go to profile here, we'll come to know that which is your Instagram account. That is nothing but this is your Instagram account user ID, that is instagram.com beta academy 365, that is your username. Okay, this is a username. You have your name, your bio you have been given, website you have been given. Okay, so far you are not following anyone and not yet posted anything, and you can add a number also here. Okay, now we will be going to learn about how to connect these two accounts like Instagram and Facebook. Log into your Facebook account, log into your Facebook account, go to your page you have been created in a Facebook, select that particular page, business page. There we have to go to a settings, page settings. Here we have a Instagram option on left hand side. You can see Instagram option is there. Select that one, Instagram option. Okay, once you have been selected a Instagram option, it is asking to connect account. Okay, you would like to connect the account you have been created so that both of them are connected together. So whatever the activities you are doing here in a Facebook page will be there in a Instagram. So connect account. It will try to recognize which account is open. Yeah, continue as that particular account. For a moment it will create a connectivity so that it has been created. This is a business account. Okay, this is a business account. Yes, continue. Okay, continue and continue, so that your Instagram account has been converted into a business account. So that whatever the activities you will be done in a Facebook page will be reflected in a here. We have been switched to a business account on a Instagram. You can share your phone number also, then you can say done. Okay, like this we have been connected a business account directly with the Instagram account. This is how we can connect business account with the Instagram account. So what will happen, whatever the activities you are doing in a page, it will be reflected in your Instagram also, so that no need to worry about that Instagram account you have been created. Okay, whatever the things you have been done here, directly it will be, all the ads will be shown in your Instagram account also. Okay, this is the advantage of the connecting both the accounts together.